In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Discord emojis. Custom emojis are a great way to add personality to your Discord server and make conversations more fun. Whether you want to create emojis based on your community, your favorite designs, or your own artwork, Discord makes it easy to upload and use custom emojis that members can enjoy across your server. To get started, you'll first need an image that you want to turn into an emoji. Many server owners use simple images, icons, logos, or small illustrations because these designs are easier to recognize at smaller sizes. Since emojis appear very small in chat, it's a good idea to use clear images with minimal details for the best results. Once your image is ready, open Discord and navigate to the server where you want to add your custom emojis. Keep in mind that you'll need the appropriate permissions to manage emojis for the server. Next, click the server name at the top of the channel list and select Server Settings. Inside the Settings menu, find the Emojis section. This is where all custom emojis for your server are managed. In the Emojis section, click Upload Emoji. Discord will ask you to choose the image you want to use. Select your image, and Discord will automatically process it and create the emoji for your server. After uploading the image, you'll have the option to give your emoji a name. Choose a simple and easy-to-remember name, because members will use this name whenever they want to add the emoji in chat. If you plan to create multiple emojis, try using a consistent style so they look good together. Many communities use matching colors, themes, or designs to create a more polished appearance throughout the server. Once you've saved your emoji, return to any chat channel and test it by typing the emoji name or selecting it from the emoji menu. This allows you to make sure it looks clear and recognizable when used in conversations. If the emoji appears too detailed or difficult to see, you can edit the image and upload a revised version for better visibility. Simple, bold designs usually work best because they remain easy to recognize even at small sizes. That's all there is to it. You've successfully created and added custom emojis to your Discord server, helping make your community more expressive and enjoyable for everyone. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel,